By Juan Bautista Juan Oliver. How will the hungry animals get food?
Ungalala. Retold by Brenda Parks. Illustrated by Juan Bautista Juan Oliver. Long ago in Africa, no rain fell, and no grass grew for a very long time. The animals were hungry and thirsty. The animals knew there was a special tree in the forest. They knew that if any animal called out the name of the tree, food would drop from the branches. Water would pool up from the roots, but none of the animals knew the name.
Lion King knows the name of the special tree,
said Tortoise.
Let us send someone to find out.
I am the fastest runner,
cried Gazelle.
I will go.
Gazelle raced up the mountain to Lion King's cave.
Oh, Lion King,
she said,
we are hungry and thirsty. Please tell me the name of the special tree.
The name of the tree is Ungalala. Do not forget it,
said Lion King. Gazelle raced back down the mountain. Faster and faster and faster she went. Then crash! She fell over an anthill. Gazelle limped back to the hungry animals.
Tell us the name! Tell us the name!
They cried.
It's oh, I've forgotten,
gasped Gazelle. The hungry animals were disappointed. Then Elephant spoke.
I will go,
he trumpeted.
An elephant never forgets.
Elephant lumbered up the mountain to Lion King's cave.
Oh, Lion King,
he trumpeted.
Gazelle has forgotten the name of the special tree.
Lion King sighed.
The name of the tree is Ungalala. Do not forget it,
he replied. Elephant lumbered back down the mountain. He was almost at the forest when a little mouse ran in front of him.
Squeak!
Oh! Elephant was very afraid of mice. He raced back to the animals as fast as he could.
Tell us the name! Tell us the name!
They cried.
It's Ung. Oh, I've forgotten,
mumbled Elephant.
What can we do?
cried the animals.
We are so hungry. I will bring back the name of the tree,
said Tortoise.
Oh, Tortoise, you are too slow,
said the animals, but Tortoise was determined to go. Tortoise trudged slowly up the mountain.
Oh, Lion King,
she said.
Gazelle and Elephant both forgot the name of the special tree. Will you please tell it to me?
This is the last time I will tell anyone,
roared Lion King.
The name of the tree is Ungalala. Do not forget it.
Tortoise plodded slowly back down the mountain.
Ungalala,
she said to herself as she plodded past the anthill.
Ungalala,
she said to herself as she plodded past the little mouse.
Ungalala.
She said to herself as she reached the forest.
Ungalala.
She shouted as she reached the magic tree. All kinds of delicious food dropped from the branches. Water pooled up at its roots. The hungry animals began to eat and drink. From that time on, the animals knew that Slow but Sure Tortoise was very special indeed.
What happened in this story?
Ungalala. The animals of the forest are hungry and thirsty. Only Lion King knows the secret to unlock the powers of the magical feeding tree. Who will make the journey? Who will return with the secret?